I can provide you with the steps to check the supplies status and print a demo page on the HP Color LaserJet CP5225. To check the supplies status. 1. Press the menu button on the printer's control panel. 2. Use the arrow keys to navigate to reports and then press OK. 3. Select supplies status and press OK. 4. The printer will print a report that shows the current levels of toner cartridges and other supplies. To print a demo page. 1. Press the menu button on the printer's control panel. 2. Use the arrow keys to navigate to information and then press OK. 3. Select Print Demo Page and press OK. 4. The printer will print a page that shows its capabilities and settings, such as the resolution, color calibration, and paper type.